Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on 22.04 LTS versions. Open any browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, see here we have the MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server, then select the version MySQL 8.0.40. Then select operating system Ubuntu Linux. Then select the Ubuntu versions. See here we have the versions from 20.04 to 24.10. So select the respective Ubuntu Linux. Then Ubuntu 22.04. Then see here we have the list of the Debian packages. But instead of downloading them, download this deb bundle. See, it is tar file. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 485 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the bundle tar file. We have to untar this file. tar-xf. Then give MySQL, give the tab and hit enter. It is done. ls. See here we have the .debian packages. Control L. Now we have to install following packages before installing MySQL. I will keep these commands in the video description. It is already installed. I think this is also installed. Okay. So ls sudo dpkg star give the .deb and hit enter. It is typo, sorry. We have to give -i. Hit enter. Now set the password for the root account. Then hit enter. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Okay. See, default authentication plugin. The first one is strong password encryption and second one is the legacy authentication method. It is up to you. See, we have successfully installed MySQL. Now verify the status of MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL service is started and it is running. Q to quit. Control it. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that we have provided. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.40. We can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.40. Control A. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. To create database, use the command create database. Then provide the database name. Now verify again. See, we have created a database bank. Okay. Now switch to this database by using the keyword use, then provide the database name. Here database name is bank. In this database I am going to create tables. Before that, verify list of tables. So tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create and insert some data. See, new table is there. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted 3 rows in the customer table or 3 records. Okay, but if I gave star, it retrieved all column values. But if you want only particular column values, we have to give like this. Okay, now we are going to see how to create user in MySQL. So first verify list of users. Those comes with MySQL installation. So users, this won't work, just I want to show you. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users. Those comes with MySQL installation. So create user. Now verify again. See, new user James is there. Now exit from MySQL client. Now connect with new user. Then provide the password of the user that we have given. It is typo. Now verify the current user that we have connected with. See, we have connected with the user James. Now try to switch to this database. See, we are unable to connect to database bank because we haven't granted any privileges. Just we have created users. That's why we are unable to connect. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL on Ubuntu 22.04 Linux operating system. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. It is stopped. Let us verify status. See, MySQL service is stopped. Also try to connect to MySQL while it is stopped. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL service is stopped. Let us start it again. Verify again. See, MySQL server started. Now we are going to restart MySQL server. Sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is running. Okay, Control ls. See, we have successfully installed. So these files are not required anymore. So remove this star.dev. Remove this star file also. See, we have cleared the space. Okay, we can also connect to MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench and dbeaver. Okay, I am going to show you. Go to MySQL again. Go to MySQL official website, mysql.com. Again, go to downloads. Downloads again. See, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Then here we have to select Ubuntu. Then see, here we have the 24 and 24.10, but we can select 24.0 and we can download this Debian package. Its size is 24 gigabytes. Then we have to install like how we install Debian packages. So the command is sudo dpkg-i, then give the space and you have to give this file name. Okay, the other is dbeaver.io. See, here we have the dbeaver community and dbeaver pro. Pro is the paid one, community is the free version. You have to click on download. Then you have to download this Debian package. Then we have to install same like MySQL server. Okay, for this also you can search my YouTube channel how to download and install dbeaver on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Ubuntu 22.04. The process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.